Hey everybody, this is Jessica, and I'm really excited to announce that we are giving away a lifetime account to the Mixed Media membership to one lucky winner. For those of you who are not familiar with the Mixed Media membership, it's an online platform where we post new techniques, projects, and so much more every single month, and you can join in all from the comfort of your home. If that sounds like something you would be into, I'm sure you're wondering, how do I enter into the Mixed Media membership giveaway? All you have to do is go to our website, artjournaljunction.com, and click on the giveaway link on our homepage. Also put that link in the description below. Simply go to the forum and give us your first name and a valid email. It needs to be a valid email, as this is how we will contact you if you are the winner of the giveaway. And then click, yes, I want to win lifetime access. That's it. You're entered into the giveaway and you could be the winner of the Mixed Media membership lifetime access. But what if I told you there was a way that you could earn even more chances and more entries into the drawing to win the Mixed Media membership? After you've joined the drawing, you're going to be taken to this page where you will get the opportunity to earn even more entries into the giveaway. And all you have to do is simply share this giveaway on social media, so Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, or you can contact your friends and family directly through email. And if they sign up through your personalized link, you will get 20 additional entries into the drawing. And as you know, more entries in the drawing equals more chances to win and gain access to the Mixed Media membership. Because it's Halloween, we do have a trick up our sleeve, but don't worry, I'm sure that you will love it and consider it a treat. As you are sharing the giveaway and earning additional entries into the drawing, you are also going to have the opportunity to unlock secret rewards with Art Journal Junction. So sign up today, get sharing, and be watching your inbox because you could be the big winner of lifetime access to the Mixed Media membership. Good luck.